Oh. Well, that's weird. Hold on a second. What the heck? Why is this one on here and this one's not on, but that one's on and this one's not on? Do I need two freaking light bulbs? Anyways, I've had this like tail light thing showing on my dash. I hate yellow lights on the dash, mainly because I always drive crap cars that have a yellow light on the dash, and this one's not that. So today we're going to change the tail light, and it appears now as I'm testing which tail light is burnt out that I might actually have two burn out. I don't know, man. Let's just hope that's the case. Otherwise I might have electrical issues. Shit, I've already forgotten which one is burnout. I think this one works, I think that one doesn't, and I think this one works, and maybe this one doesn't. Let's just tear it apart, see what happens. So, as all of you know, I can't tell what you can see right here. This piece of carpet right here, right? We're gonna pull this off. Maybe just by, oh shit, that doesn't sound good. I'm gonna get a tool, so I don't just like totally jack up my whip. Here's what I got for this project. I got some long life 7443s from Sylvania, my favorite light bulb company. I don't actually know if that's true, but that's what I was giving it, you know, O'Reilly. And I took the opportunity to buy a trim removal set. Let's get some better video of that. See that there? I've been needing one of these because essentially I blew the subwoofer out here in the back. Many of you guys maybe had the same problem, and it's gonna have to come out at some point, and that's a lot of trim to take off. So instead of marring my finishes with a screwdriver, I decided it was time to get a legit kit. I think this cost about 15 bucks. You know, it's something I should have bought like 20 years ago, so this will be cool to have. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna kind of shove this non-marring trim removal kit in here until I hit something that sounds right. Ow, you fucker. There we go. Okay. Oh, what's up? Boom. God dang, I feel like a freaking professional right now. Let's move this little tray over. See that? I love that little tray. It's just a nice little Lexusism, right? Nothing falls in your crack. Okay, at some point, boom, I'll have enough leverage. Oh, fuck, that's what I didn't want to do. Okay, that's why you should be careful, guys. See that right there? Now I have one less thing that's keeping this to the body because I didn't use my tool. These are the kind of fuck-ups I'm going to try to save y'all from. My fuck-ups, oh, that kind of shit just kills me inside. If you have a tool, take the time to use it, okay? Boom. See how clean that is? No more screw-ups. Pardon my French, by the way. I just, you know, words are words, right? Boom. And when you jack up something in your truck, sometimes the F word comes out. How many fallen soldiers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are now riding with 4 less connectors for the cardboard. I did not do a great job. Guys, buy these tools. These are totally worth it, and then actually take the time to use it properly. Alright, let's take a look here at the tailgate. As you can see, get the cables for the locks. I actually think my interior way of getting out of the car is not working properly, but I'm not going to play with that today. Our tail lights are hiding behind these panels right here. That's what we're going to go into now. Alright, so just going to use the drill, pull out these 3 bolts. They bolts? No, they're screws. Okay, come on in, we'll remove this panel.
Hi!
You ruined my video! Come on over here. Let's look at it. Okay, at the back of both tail lights. We're going to be removing this one right here. This is the actual brake light. I'm assuming it's a twist and pull. Okay, kid, can you hit the brakes again? Let's see if this thing works or not. Hit the brakes. Didn't even fit.
No.
Do it again?
I am.
Weird. So like nothing's happening, right? Alright. Now hang tight. Don't hit the brakes on this one, else you'll shock me to death. But hang there. Bob her in. Alright, try me again. Oh,
Yeah.
man. So satisfying, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Slap it back in. Twist it clockwise. First one's done. Put the plate back on. Don't lose your screws. Okay. Get them back in there. Don't over torque them. Perfect. First one's done. It's the only one in the tailgate that I'm messing with, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reattach this guy, minus like the 3 or 4 connectors that I've now broken, which is awesome. If I can just pull these out and reattach them. Hey, not all is lost here. Check this out. We can pull this one out with the special tool, like I should have done right in the first place. And I can slide it back in. Alright, push it down. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Never works when you want it to, does it? There we go. And now it's in the right place at least. Let's get another one on there. Okay, so I've got all my little guys back in place. Ready to go. Let's button her up. That one's done. Now, if you had the other tail light burn out, this one here on the corner, we're going to do that one next. And now you'll know how to replace all of your rear tail lights on a Lexus LX470.